Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to access your webcam in JavaScript application. So you can see that my webcam is on, you can see my face. So in this tutorial I will be showing you how to do this process from scratch. So for that, just open your favorite text editor, make an index.html file and write this HTML code. So make a HTML tag. Inside this we will make a head tag and just give it a simple title that webcam in JavaScript. And for the body we will be having a simple video tag, and we will be turning on the autoplay property so that the video will autoplay. And in the JavaScript we will need a basic, we need to target this video element, so we will be declaring a video variable, and then we will use document.querySelector, this method, and then we will pass the property which is the video element. That's it. So this will target the video element, and now we will use the navigator API which is there. Dot, we will use media devices dot get user media. This is a function in order to get the webcam. In this we will have to pass a option which is video to true, so we will be making a video option here inside curly brackets. Just name it as options instead of video. So inside these options we just need to set a property of video to true. This is a property, and now we can just pass this option inside this method. So this returns a promise that we need to handle. We can handle this by a dot then, and this returns a stream that you can just source, you can attach to the video element. Video.source object is equal to stream. So we can just is equal to stream. If any kind of error take place, we can get this error inside the error variable. This is the arrow function. You can just console log in the that an error occurred. That's it. Now if I refresh it, you will see that my webcam is on here. You can see that. So in this easy way you can just turn on your webcam in JavaScript application. We are making use of this navigator API. We are using the media devices dot get user media method, and we are passing this option of video to true. So this will return a stream in the promise, and then we are just attaching this to the video element that we have in the HTML.